A spinning reel can make or break your day on the water. Smooth drag, solid hook sets, effortless retrieves. When it's right, fishing feels easy. When it's not, you lose fish. Today on Best Product, we're counting down the top 5 best spinning fishing reels that deliver real performance when it matters most. If you're testing the waters with a lightweight, dependable reel, the Garcia Max X is a comfortable starting point. The asymmetric carbon frame and rotor keep weight down while maintaining solid strength. With a 5.2-to-1 gear ratio and 29 inches of line recovery per turn, it offers a balanced retrieve that works for everything from soft plastics to light crankbaits. 5 stainless steel bearings create a smooth crank, and the oil-felt drag delivers up to 14 pounds of stopping power. The machined aluminum braid-ready spool adds versatility right out of the box. The lightweight feel is a clear advantage during long sessions. Retrieve smoothness is consistent and reliable. Drag performance is solid for medium species, though not built for heavy offshore battles. It's a great all-around freshwater reel, but serious big-game anglers may want more drag muscle. Climbing a step higher, the Pflueger President brings refinement and balance. The graphite body and rotor keep things light, while 7-ball bearings make the retrieve feel fluid and controlled. With a 5.2-to-1 ratio and just over 20 inches per turn, it's ideal for finesse techniques and lighter presentations. The total line control system helps reduce twists and wind knots, which makes casting noticeably smoother. Its sealed oil-felt drag provides up to 6 pounds of pressure, keeping fights controlled on lighter line setups. Smoothness is the biggest highlight here. Line management feels excellent, especially with light mono or braid. The lighter drag limit makes it better suited for panfish, trout, and bass rather than hard-pulling saltwater species. For finest anglers, though, it's a pleasure to fish. Now we're entering serious territory with the Sougayilang spinning fishing reel. Built with brass gears and a hardened metal main shaft, it feels strong under load. The triple-disc carbon drag system adds confident fish-fighting control, delivering steady pressure during sudden runs. Its hollow frame design reduces weight while maintaining rigidity, and the CNC aluminum handle can be swapped for right or left-hand retrieve. It performs well across freshwater and saltwater environments, giving it solid versatility. Durability stands out here, especially considering its price range. The carbon drag feels smooth and reliable during longer fights. The overall finish isn't quite as refined as higher-end reels, and long-term corrosion resistance may depend on proper care. Still, it offers impressive strength for the cost. Things start getting powerful with the Piscifun Carbon X. Built with a full carbon fiber body, rotor, and side plate, it's incredibly lightweight. The size 500 model weighs just 5.1 ounces. Despite that low weight, it delivers up to 33 pounds of drag thanks to oversized carbon washers. 10 shielded stainless steel ball bearings create a very smooth retrieve, and multiple gear ratios allow you to choose between finesse control or faster presentations. The direct drive screw-in handle gives a tight, responsive feel under pressure. The combination of extreme lightness and high drag capacity is hard to ignore. Smoothness is excellent, even under load. Carbon construction helps with weight, though some anglers may still prefer the feel of full metal frames for heavy-duty saltwater use. Overall, performance is impressively balanced. At the top of this list, the KastKing Megatron earns its position with raw strength and bold design. The aerospace aluminum skeletal frame delivers serious rigidity without unnecessary bulk. Inside, a zinc alloy drive gear and solid brass pinion transfer power smoothly and confidently. The carbon fiber drag system pushes over 30 pounds of maximum drag, giving you real control over aggressive fish. 7 double-shielded stainless steel bearings keep the retrieve smooth, and the CNC aluminum spool and handle feels sturdy in hand. Power and structural strength are the Megatron's biggest advantages. It feels solid during heavy fights and performs well in both freshwater and saltwater. It's slightly heavier than ultra-lightweight carbon reels, but that added weight comes with added toughness and stability. If I had to choose one overall, I'd go with the Piscifun Carbon X. It delivers the best balance of lightweight comfort, smooth retrieve, and serious drag power without feeling bulky. It's versatile enough for finesse and strong enough for aggressive fish. That said, if you prioritize maximum frame rigidity, the Megatron might be your pick. Now I want to hear from you. Which reel would you spool up for your next trip? Drop your choice in the comments. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe to Best Product for more honest gear breakdowns. You'll find all the purchase links waiting in the description.